Hi guys, this is demo of Lab 2. My application name is Save Expense. It is a prototype of my final project. I have just implemented a small module into this. So now I'm starting with the demo. Here you can see the icon of the app. So this is the home page activity for the lab. So here you can see the list of the expenses that I have added earlier, and these are the scrollable list, and it is like this is the activity, and the list is coming into a fragment, so I can also change the fragment whenever I want to show something else on this activity. So for adding a new expense, I just have to click on this fab button, that is a floating action button. So this is activity number 2, and this also have one fragment which is showing this form. So you can enter the price whatever you have spent. You can select the category of like where you spent it. Okay, grocery. So here you can see the toast that you selected grocery. You want to put a note like where you bought it from or something like that. So I'm putting a note here. Now after clicking an add button, the expense will get add to the backend, which is a SQLite database. And you also have seen the toast, that expense is being added successfully. To go back to the list, you can click this fab button again, and here you can see your expense in the end. Here the grocery, $24. At the date, it will take, currently it takes only the today's date and time, current time. So in future we can like made it more flexible. Okay, now the list is also clickable. If you you can click on the items to see its detail. So here you can see the all the details, and also this image that okay, this belongs to the categories grocery. You can also see the note, and there is an action bar implemented here. There are two buttons. One is to going back like this, and the another one is the delete button. When I click on delete button, it will ask me whether to delete the transaction or cancel it. This is a dialog box. So I'll say I want to delete this transaction. After deleting, it will again take me back to the list, and you're gonna see that the last expense is now not there because we have deleted it. Thank you.